Hi, my name is John Strachen, and I'm a patient of Dr. Ruben Gobezie and Dr. Nicholas Callahan. I was introduced to Dr. Gobezie in the early 2000s by my wife Mary, who had a procedure done on her shoulder at University Hospitals by Dr. Gobezie when he was practicing there. She recovered from that 100%, no problem, and is in great shape today. For my case, I've been suffering from arthritis for several years, specifically arthritis in my two shoulders and in my right knee. The pain in my shoulders progressed over a 2 to 3 year period, and my knee was causing me some suffering for about 6 to 7 years, but I put up with this pain. Over time, I was noticing a lot of restricted mobility. My body just didn't act naturally. I was compensating. I had other aches and pains. I had difficulty sleeping. I had difficulty walking. I had difficulty dressing, working with tools, doing the normal things that I normally like to do. I sought out Dr. Gobezie's counsel, and we elected on a conservative approach, a series of shoulder injections, which provided me some temporary relief, but didn't do the job completely. We decided then that I would have shoulder replacement surgery, and in 2020, my left side was replaced. Later, in 2022, my right side was replaced. Both surgeries were successful. Both surgeries were done as outpatient surgeries, which is an unbelievable experience. Body parts, new body parts in half a day. During the course of treatment for my shoulders, I discussed my knee situation with Dr. Gobezie, and he referred me to Dr. Callahan. I subsequently met with Dr. Callahan, and in January of 2023, we elected to replace my right knee. Again, an amazing procedure, half a day, outpatient, and I'm home. Unbelievable. I can say that these processes and these surgeries led to really good improvements in my life. I was pain-free following surgery. The only discomfort I felt was the soreness in my muscles from the surgery, but the arthritic pain was gone. It was eliminated. I felt like I regained the overall quality of my life instead of letting this arthritis take it away from me. I can now reach for things. I can do yard work. I can do the small everyday things that we take for granted. The things like getting dressed, putting on a jacket, walking, riding a bike. I'm looking forward to doing some indoor cycling. The spin classes are on the list for this fall. So I'm feeling good about all of this. I cannot say enough good things about the physicians and the staff. These were excellent experiences for me. Everything progressed exactly as the surgeons described. I found Dr. Gobezie to be very enthusiastic. He's confident. He's very positive. Dr. Callahan was very calm and reassuring and confident. The PT staff in the gym and the crew at PT Genie, they're great. They offered me personalized service. I felt like I was the only client there. It was a really good experience, and I would highly recommend this to anyone. PT Genie I used during the rehabilitation process. I found that to be a time saver. It involved me as the patient. It allowed me to take some degree of control so I could do the work, so I could get the results, so I could get the win. There was always a therapist at my fingertips if I needed it. The support was great. I'd highly recommend it to anybody. I would say to anybody who's experiencing joint issues, orthopedic problems, seek the counsel of Dr. Gobezie or Dr. Callahan as it applies. Take advantage of modern medicine if you need it. And if you do, be a model patient. Follow your surgeon's protocol to the letter. Do the work. Get the results. Lose the pain and gain your life back.